little bit, Aiden here, and I got a new chainsaw. This is gonna be just like a probably 7-minute video. Here's my chainsaw right here. This is gonna be a very short video. You can check out my other videos though, but okay, yeah, but you can check out my other videos, but right now, I really don't have any other. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just messing with you. You can actually check out my other videos. I got other videos. I got like 8 or something. I don't know. Oh, I do get a lot of videos. So you guys can go ahead and watch them. And if you want to see how my chainsaw works, if you want to see me cutting a tree with my chainsaw, you can actually see that on another video. Right now we're just like checking out my chainsaw out. So it has a light. That's the light. And you want to hear the noise now? Hear the noise, guys. Cool eating, huh, guys? So, and look, the blade moves. It just moves back and forth. It just moves back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And it can also do a trick, guys. You want to see it? Look at this. It can do a trick. It can do a trick, guys, by standing up. It can do a trick by standing up. I like the little gaggles. Gaggles. I'm gonna add the So guys, I'm just gonna end the the video out and probably at like, I don't know. Probably at like 4 minutes or so. If you want to see the goggles on me, you can watch that right now. Here we go. Here's the goggles, guys, on me. Don't they look awesome? There's the chainsaw. Chainsaw. This thing can actually cut weeds, but not trees. Not sticks too good. It could probably cut leaves and... Oh, so guys, my chainsaw can actually like cut in the ground. If you want to see that, okay, you can see that right now. Okay. Where am I gonna cut into the ground? I don't really know. There's so many cracks. As you can see, all the cracks, all of them. It's a lot of cracks. It's a lot of cracks, guys. I'm gonna go for this one over here. Nope, doesn't work. We need this one over here. Here we go, this big one. So guys, I'm going to end it out with a little bit of noise and a little bit of the lights. Here we go. Here comes the noise. Here's the blade. Now for the lights. Okay guys, that would be the end of the video. Hope you liked this video. And if this is the first video that you've seen by me, make sure to leave a like, okay? Bye. Bye guys. That's really it. Oh, she went inside. Goodbye guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.